if you clicked on this video, then you already know what is dark feminine and what kind of energy they radiate and what kind of like communication they have with other people, or what kind of aura they have, what kind of charisma they have. So today in this video, I'm going to share you 3 mindsets by which you can actually radiate dark feminine energy. And without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So mindset number 1 says earn, because dark feminines are independent. Earn. You should be supplied with this much amount of money, and that money should be your own earned. Okay, ignore the background noises. Okay, so that money should be your hard-earned money. You should not depend on someone else's money, your husband's money or your boyfriend's money or whatever, your brother's money or your parents' money. If you want to radiate dark feminine energy, you really need to earn, girl, because dark feminine is independent. She goes with the flow. She knows her worth, and worth सिर्फ जब भी बनती है when you earn something, when you own something. अगर तुम नहीं भी earn करते हो, it's fine, it's all right, but think about that and work towards it. So work towards making money, okay? Act like that you are working toward your goals, and don't just act like, actually work towards your goal. Actually work towards achieving that bank account so that you can buy Dior or any huge brand just by looking at it, because that's what dark feminine energy is actually, okay? So you need to be financially independent. Second thing is, people do things for you. Okay, if someone is willing to do things for you, let them do things for you, but don't be like that कि if you did this thing for me, then I will do this thing for you. if some person made some dish for me, तो ये मत करना कि भाई अगर तूने मेरे लिए कुछ किया, so I will also make something for you. Don't do that. If someone is willing for you, if someone is willing to do something for you, let them do it, okay? Because you receive. You are a feminine energy, you are a feminine identity and like figure, so you receive things, okay? It's not like कोई contract में हो तुम के like you give and I receive, I give and you receive. You only receive if someone is willing to give you something, okay? So don't be like that you have to work also if someone is working for you. No, because you are a feminine, because you are dark feminine, they can work for you, and in return you can give nothing to them because you radiate dark feminine energy, okay? And also I want to say this thing, that feminine energy basically क्या होती है कि if you are going at a restaurant and you are with someone, they open the door for you, you are not the one who open the doors for them, okay? So अगर if they are not opening the door for you, just don't expect. तो मतलब मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि expectations मत रखो. अगर someone is not willing to do something for you, कि कोई तुम्हारे लिए कुछ करेगा, right? अगर कोई कर रहा है तो उसे करने दो, अगर कोई नहीं कर रहा है तो do it yourself, because dark feminines are independent, okay? Third thing is classy outfits over Gen Z outfits. You are a girl, you are in the age group of 16 to 25, and you wear Gen Z outfit, like all those baggy hoodies or baggy jeans, it doesn't suit you. You can wear the baggy pants but not the baggy upper cloth. अगर तुम दोनों चीज़ें baggy रखते हो, वो Gen Z के outfit में जाती है, वो Gen Z के vision area में जाती है, picture में जाती है. लेकिन तुम dark feminine हो, you want to radiate dark feminine energy, then you cannot wear both the things baggy. अगर upper body con है तो lower baggy होना चाहिए, अगर lower body con है तो upper baggy होना चाहिए. That is what is classy outfit. These are all the classy outfits. Radiate dark feminine energy not by wearing Gen Z outfit. तुम कभी Gen Z outfit wear करके dark feminine energy तो नहीं radiate कर सकते. Classy outfits, classy era. Pinterest को अपने classy outfits सजाओ. Have a classy, like, outfit approach, fashion approach, so that you can radiate dark feminine energy, because outfit says a lot about you. And all I had in this video were 3 mindsets. If you did, then you can stick around and I'll see you the next one. So then peace out.